internet said she was my doppelganger. Sometimes I just look at him and I'm like, I can't.
How did the doppelganger thing even happen?
Yeah, they're great. I'm gonna show you my everyday matcha smoothie. Kind of thinking a vibe like this. Ta-da! Look at this setup. I have so many tripods and ring lights out right now. Everything I own, just all of the goods. Let me get over here in the natural lighting so you guys can see. Let me make this a little bit darker. Okay, this is the makeup that Kelly just did on me. She just left, which is so sad. But Kelly is a makeup artist and the internet actually connected us, which is so funny. Some people thought we were the same person. That was like my makeup account, which is hysterical. We're two different people. So we bonded over that. Just decided, I guess, we're internet doppelgangers. So we planned to meet when she came to LA and she's just visiting. So we had to get together and she did her signature makeup look on me, like with all of her OG favorites.
But how did the doppelganger thing even happen? Like, you were just on, do you get Hillary Duff and Elizabeth Olsen all the time?
And Ashley Tisdale. There was this one post that Hillary Duff posted that everyone sent me and they're like, I thought this was you, I thought this was you. I just kind of want to see what everyone else thinks I look like. So I just did it on my stories. I was like, who do you think my doppelganger is? Then I posted you, I think the last one, because I started getting so many on the poll when I was like, do I see it or I don't see it?
Yeah.
Like, it was like 99%.
I mean, I definitely see it. Like, I just think we have
like similar features.
Yes. Obviously, I feel like we look different, but I'm like, I very much see it. So
Yeah.
it's funny that people like,
I know.
Did you watch Younger?
I love Younger. It's one of my favorite shows.
Same.
I can't stop watching it. Hill Duff is just great. Seems like just a great gal.
And she's happy with her little husband.
Oh my god, they're so cute together. Massage. Do you gua sha ever?
I used to so much and then mine broke and I was like, fuck this.
I broke both of mine in the past month.
Yeah,
because it just
they
slipped
dropped
out
of
my
freezer
hand
or something and
yes.
it's like game over. I'm
with
like,
the oil, I'm like, oh shit.
I tried.
So I just bought a new one. I'm like, I swear to God, if I drop this one, I'm gonna be so pissed.
Your brows are so good.
Thank you.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now.
This is the finished look. This is Kelly. The internet said she was my doppelganger, so we had to get together when she came to LA so that we could do our makeup the same. And we filmed a little TikTok.
Let's see, does it look kind of similar? I did mine in 15, but hers in
yeah,
like an
hers
hour.
was so fast. We did our we waved our hair the same too. Honestly,
It's so much
I love
fun.
it. All the glam.
I love too, just our personalities together.
I know.
I feel like we're fun.
We're a good time. Yay! So this was super fun to have someone else do my makeup for a change. I will link all of the products, by the way, that she used on me today in the description box below if you want to recreate it. But she has so many good IGTVs and tutorials on her Instagram. But I love that my hair and makeup are already done because I actually have 2 campaigns that I need to shoot today. So I'm like, well, this is perfect because it's noon and I'm all ready to go. But I'm gonna show you this Green Goddess matcha smoothie that I make almost every single day. It tastes so good. You get the benefits from matcha, which are amazing. I literally crave this every single day. Okay, I'm gonna show you my everyday matcha smoothie. Add protein in it so it helps keep me fuller longer, but I also add matcha to it, which I will link them below. Jade Leaf Matcha is partnering with me on this video and I'm obsessed with their matcha. It tastes so freaking good. I also have a coupon code for you guys, Caitlin20, if you wanna save 20% off. But because of the matcha, I also get my caffeine boost. Like a good energy boost. It's not gonna give you that crash later, which I always hate. It gives you a nice steady energy. So first I'm gonna add spinach. I honestly just add cupfuls of spinach. 1 ripe banana. I'll add some fresh ginger, frozen mango. It adds to the creaminess of it, and then also it prevents it from you having to add ice to it. Totally optional, but sometimes I like to add organic plant-based cashew milk yogurt. It adds an extra layer of creaminess to it, which I find I just really like in my smoothies. This adds probiotics too. Some cinnamon. So I keep this one in my fridge. It's recommended after you open one to just keep it in the fridge just so that it preserves the flavor. This is the Jade Leaf Matcha. This is ceremonial grade matcha. I like to just add up to a teaspoon into my smoothie. A little bit goes a long way, but you can add a little bit more when you're using a smoothie as well. Matcha sourced directly from Japan. They actually partner with local Japanese family-owned farms. Super fair price, and again, it's ceremonial grade, which is what you want. They actually have little single servings. These would be so great when you're on a flight or just like traveling in general and you want that little extra boost. But you could also just throw one of these packs at a time into a smoothie, so it's like already portioned out, really easy. Personally just love matcha because it gives me just really nice sustainable energy throughout the day. I get so many health benefits with matcha. That's why I try to incorporate it like daily somehow, whether it be in a matcha latte or else I'll just like throw some like this in my smoothie. I find it's just the easiest way. But to finish off my smoothie, I'll either just do regular ice filtered water or also add a little bit of malibu milk, which is organic flax milk. Do you see why I call it the green goddess? Oh yeah, perfect size. I forgot one very crucial ingredient. Let's just pretend I didn't forget to add the protein powder. Like I said, I like to add a little element of protein, and a lot of you guys always ask me how to get more protein into your diet, especially if you're transitioning to a plant-based diet. I love me some protein powder, I'm not gonna lie, it's so good, but I will link my favorites below. I'm just gonna add like a little scoop. Okay, honestly, not bad. Let's do a quick little taste test. So good. When you use fresh ginger, it comes in like really powerfully. So if you're not on the super ginger train, just use a really, really small amount. The matcha also comes through so nicely in this, but it's like, again, not something that's super overpowering. It doesn't give me that chalky texture. It's the bones of the drink. You gotta have really good grade matcha or else it's not gonna taste right. Again, I'm gonna link Jade Leaf Matcha down in the description box below and all of the products that I have from them. If you want a tutorial on how I do like an iced matcha latte or even a hot one, let me know. Barista B coming through. And if you do get anything from Jade Leaf Matcha, use my code Caitlin20 so you can get 20% off, which is huge. Also, if you do make my matcha smoothie, make sure you post it on Instagram stories and tag me. Also, can we talk about how cute these jeans are? These are probably like my new favorites and they go on sale all the freaking time. They're like 40 bucks. I love this little detail. So cute when you're wearing a little heel. Did you just shower? You're like a wet dog. We are gonna go now get some grub from the grocery store. We need some food for dinner, so we're just gonna take a little midday break. Little haul. I got some Tabasco, obviously the essentials. Another Go macro bar. I just like having these on hand. Avocado. Alex got cheese for himself. BioLife mozzarella shreds are so good. Pizzas, or if I'm making like a grain bowl and throwing it on top, or I just like eat it plain while I'm making dinner. It tastes so good. Some pumpkins, some chickpeas, veggie bouillon for soups, harissa spice. I got these fruit rolls. They're kind of like fruit roll-ups, but the only ingredients in here are apples, pears, strawberries, and black carrot extract. I got some wine because this one was in the sale section. I use my Vivino app, which is a little hack I like to use whenever I'm like shopping and like see a wine, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it because I like drier wines versus sweeter wines. Normally this is like a $15 wine, but it was on sale for $7. Said it was really dry, so I will be the judge of that and I'll have some tonight and let you know. And you little prince, are you snuggling with your own little froggy? You are just so precious. Sometimes I just look at him and I'm like, I can't believe you're real. You gonna serenade me? The campaign that we're shooting today is for Instagram, but also because the product is pink. So cute. I'm wearing a pink robe, which I thought would just be very fitting. I feel like just like a little gloss on the lips goes a long way in pictures. Honestly, loving the vibe of this hair, like the loose waves that we did earlier. I feel like it looks really good with like a shower campaign. But yeah, I just want this to be like super simple, straightforward. I'm not the type of person to go like crazy over the top when it comes to like shooting my Instagram photos. Like I used to go through that phase. It was really popular in like 2018-19 to like do something like super staged and like crazy and like all of the props and stuff, which was really fun for me at the time. It was like a fun like creative outlet to do that. But now what you guys vibe with the most is just like me in my natural setting, like doing my day-to-day stuff. Kind of thinking a vibe like this, like maybe my arm up holding one of the products, but I also don't want to block it. If I'm like standing here, I feel like I can easily block the razor out of the shot. So we just play around with it. Never looked better. Alex is trying to do ASMR with that. I am trying to review the first round of photos.
These Korean barbecue flavored kale chips are amazing.
Tastes like alibi fries.
Just slap so hard.
I like to go through the first round of photos that we take and like see if there's any like potentials. Quickly heart them. Round two. Let's see how they look. This hair situation, what is that doing? This angle was like a little bit more too overhead in the second. I now look back at like the first round of photos and I'm like, oh my God, I hate all of those. That's done. I got the IGTV done and now I just need to work on the stories. I want to go take this footage now, go into my office and start working on it, like adding all the text mock-ups for the stories so that I have all the hashtags and the tags ready to go. Immediately change into sweats. Second, I don't have to shoot anymore. Anyone else? Anyone else? Sweats are my happy place, okay?
Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar, too soon to say. Hey, says what's sad, but I've been locked up.
Submit it! Feels good. Deadline was 5 p.m. Submitted at 5 p.m. So this is the wine. First of all, Alex like sprayed this all over the wall trying to open it. I guess the cork was so dry. The only way he could get it open was by like pushing the cork into the wine. So there's sediment everywhere and like cork, and it's just, I'm gonna go put this through a fine mesh strainer. The taste is good. Every sip I take, I have like cork in my mouth, so not like the vibe I'm going for tonight, but I am exhausted. It's 5:48 right now and I just posted this Instagram. I just edited the one of Kelly and I this morning so I could post like our first like Instagram together. So this is what we got. Go like it on Instagram. Same but different, you know? Podcast time. Oh, it's me. I have my makeup done for once. I see that boop.
That's a short-term fee. Got it locked. I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap. Dap you up, then I leave. Yeah.
Did I get it for all of my city? I'm throwing on spitting on.
Okay, yeah, nobody pees in the shower. Like, normalize it. Hold on. We did a haunting episode. By the time this video is up, the episode will definitely be up. So I will link it down in the description box below. It's like 7 p.m. right now. I think dinner's ready, hopefully. And I'm gonna see if Alex wants to watch some Game of Thrones. I'm actually watching it for the first time. I've never seen it. We just started season 2, so no spoilers.